Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin. Let's learn how to draw a Diwali cracker. Start by making a huge cone at the center of the page. Now create sleeping lines which are slightly curved and diagonally placed. Keep a wide distance between the lines. Good job! Time to create the sparkles that are seen when we light a firecracker. Draw around 6 to 7 curved long lines which are coming out from the center point of the triangle. Nice work! Start by making 2 inverted V's which are slightly curved. It will be placed on the opposite sides of the page just like this. Good! Color. The crackers can be colored using any of your favorite colors. We have chosen red and yellow on the cone. Highlight the sparkles in shades of gold. Let the stars be colored in bright shades using multiple colors. Firework boxes have interesting names like fountains, rockets, and chakras to describe their effects. Always light fireworks under the supervision of adults in a safe place. Make your Diwali cracker now. Let's learn how to draw a lantern and Diwali Diyas. The semicircle at the bottom. Create 2 U-shaped patterns like this and finish it good. Let's repeat this on the other side too. Now carefully draw an oval above the diyas. This is the flame. Good job! Just a couple of inches above, draw rounded edges rectangle. Leave some space and repeat it at the bottom too. Let the 2 triangles be connected with bent lines. Envision a circle slightly bigger than the rectangle and follow along. 3 curves on the left and 3 curves to the right. Amazing! Lanterns come with beautiful danglers. Draw about 5 to 6 danglers hanging down like this. Create an inverted Y at the top of the lantern. Add 2 circles at the center to make it appear as if the lantern is hanging upon a wall. Color. You are free to use any color of your choice. We are going ahead with a colorful palette. For the wall hanger, number 1, yellow on the hanger. Red and yellow on the small circle of the hanger. For the lantern, purple on the bottom and top band. Pink on the opposite sides. Blue on the other opposite sides. Yellow at the center. That's looking good. For the tassels, pink, yellow, light blue, dark blue, red. For the diyas, pink and blue diyas with orange and yellow to represent the flame. Amazing! Feel free to go ahead with the same color scheme or imagine your own.
Stay tuned to Bachacha Box. Happy hours for kids.